This is Project Ascot, an ECD custom Defender 90 soft top, built to our client's exact specifications. Project Ascot is painted in full gloss Aston Martin British racing green with black accents. Project Ascot sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Defender 90 soft top features a classic front bumper and custom winch mount plate, multi-point soft top roll cage, 4 LED round spotlights in the front and 1 in the rear. On the inside, Project Ascot features a Momo Indy wooden steering wheel with Nostalgia VT gauges, Recaro Orthopeds front seats, and 2 inward-facing benches seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in diamond square Garrett Chatham ivory leather stitched together in black. This Defender 90 soft top is powered by our LS3 GM-V8 engine with 6-speed auto transmission. This Defender 90 soft top also features an array of modern touches such as touchscreen radio with focal premium sound, Apple CarPlay and access to USB connection.